Hello everyone, this is Gabriel from Northtown Lexus, and today I'm here with the advanced video for the radio system. So we're going to jump right into it. So from the menu, we'll click on radio. And right now I'm on the preset screen, so I'm going to switch over to the info screen. And from the info screen, some of the extra things that you can do with the radio system is you can actually adjust the bass, mid, and treble. So we're going to go right below presets to where it says sound. And from here, you'll be able to kind of change where the speakers are playing from. So you can make it play more from the front speakers or more from the back. You can have it right in the middle. And then on the left side, you have treble, mid, and bass. And you can kind of add or subtract them depending on whatever you're looking for. And then with the DSP settings, you can turn off the surround and you can turn off the automatic sound levelizer. And that's up to you if you want to do that. And now I'm going to go back to the info screen. And next is the channel list. So you can use this on FM and satellite and AM. All you have to do is just click on channel list. And right now I'm listening to satellite. So satellite, it's going to show me the different genres. And if I hit all, it's going to show me every single satellite channel. And I can just scroll through this list and see all 200 or however many there are. You can also do a scan or a type scan. And you can also do type to sort of find specific genres. And then the text is just going to show you the name of the station, name of the song, things like that. And that's it for the advanced radio system. Again, the radio system is pretty simple, but I just wanted to show you a few more options in case you were unaware. Thanks for watching.